Hello, bro, you good? What's up? Hey.
Hey guys, what's good? What's poppin'? It's your girl Bhavna back at it again with another exciting vlog. Yes, we are doing a vlog today. So, I woke up early today. I woke up at 8 o'clock. I don't usually wake up at 8 o'clock. So, on the days when I have to film, I need to wake up early. So, today is a vlog day and I had to get ready by 10:45. So, I'm like, okay, I need to push myself. So, I woke up at 8, brushed my teeth, came out, drank my lemon water. So I've been working out these days. Yes, your girl has been working out. So yeah, it's been 1 week since I started working out. So I like to have warm water with just some lemon spritzed inside it. There's no sugar, so that is what I drink. Basically, it's really good in the mornings. So I had that, did my workout, put on my face mask, then hopped onto the shower, came out, and now it's 9:30, so I'm having my breakfast. So we're having dosa and onion chutney. So I'll have this and catch you guys after that. Why do I always forget to tell you where we're going today? We're going to Ikea. Yes, guys. It's open. Ikea is open. And I'm super duper excited to go to Ikea and get some stuff for myself. So let me have my breakfast. I'll catch you guys after that. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. I had my breakfast. So I think we'll do a little bit of a natural beat today because I'm gonna click a few pictures. Hey guys, so I put on some facial oil, the regular one which I use, the plum grapeseed facial oil. I'm gonna apply the Hydra Fresh Genius moisturizer. This is what I use before applying my makeup base. Your skin needs to look dewy and juicy before foundation. Guys, you know what? It feels so good to work out. Like, I'm doing only the basic exercises, the basic ab workout because I've been binge eating all this quarantine and I gained some weight. So I just want to get back fit. I think I want to apply a little bit of an illuminator. So I'll be taking Nykaa Strobe and Glow Illuminator. Okay, now look at the glow. She's shining, y'all. So I'll be using the Fit Me foundation in the shade 228. Love this. Just gonna spread the foundation on my face first. Been loving this method of doing my base lately. I mean, I used to use this flat brush before to lay my foundation. I don't know why I left it. Then taking my NYX blending brush, just gonna like buff everything. Guys, this brush is amazing. It just blends your foundation like nobody's business. I'm going for a very natural makeup today, but I'll put on lashes, obviously. I just hope I get ready in time. You see how the dewiness is just peeking through the foundation? That is how I love my skin to look. Okay, so for my concealer, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro. Just a little bit. I'm almost done with this tube. I need to get a new one. Let me just get the last remains out of this. I need to do my hair again because my hair is just sitting there. Okay, so for setting my face, I'll be using the regular Fit Me. So after which I'll be doing a little bit of contour. I'm just using my Nykaa Sizzle Chisel palette. I am doing a whole makeup tutorial here. Why? Hey guys, I'm so sorry. I got a call and then obviously if you get a call, it'll automatically stop recording and shit happened. I thought I was filming my whole eye look, but I didn't. But this is what I did. I used the Tartelette in Bloom palette. I've used all the neutral shades to create this look. It's very simple, very basic. So I'm just gonna put on some mascara. And I put on the blue jacket, guys, for some reason, I don't know. Blue is the vibe today. And I also put on a pair of fake lashes. These are from the Ardell lashes from Amazon. Got a set of lashes. These are the ones that I'm talking about, the demi wispy lashes. I think the whole set was for 1500 rupees, so I thought, okay, for Ardell it is a good price. So let's do some blush because she's looking pale. So for my blush today, I will be taking the L'Oreal blush in the shade Play With Me. This is what it looks like. Peachy sort of a blush. I didn't even do my hair. It's 10:30. Wow. A little bit of highlight on my collarbones. Look at the glow, y'all. Wow, hair is a mess again. Okay, I think I'll just fix my hair. Shit, I forgot to put my lipstick. I think I'm gonna put on this one. This is the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Savant. This is a bright pink shade. Love it. Love this shade, guys. This is from their new pink collection. Okay, I'll just do my hair real quick and catch you guys while going. So I'm here, I've reached Ikea, but there is a huge line in front of me. I think there are almost 20-30 vehicles, so I need to wait here till I go inside. I don't know how it's gonna be inside. I'm sure there's so many people waiting. So yeah, I'll catch you guys inside. Okay guys, there is a huge line with social distancing. Guys, there's a huge ass line here and I wish I'd have known this. I wouldn't have come. Like, this is not worth waiting for so long. Like, there's such a huge line here. I can't. I don't know for how long I need to stand here. Guys, I'm really not sure when I'll be going inside because I've been waiting here since almost 1 hour now and there's a huge ass line. Oh my god, man, I'm losing my patience here. This is not happening. Miss Corona, you did so wrong, girl. Hey guys, so I finally got inside. Oh my god, the sanitizer thing. I'm actually looking for my organizers first and then we'll go to another block. So yeah guys. The accent chair. I initially wanted that, but it was so costly, so I didn't pick that up. Finally, we got a trolley. So, look at this. Look at this. Hey guys, I know I look so shitty right now. I can't take out the mask because we are in the mall. We came to Galleria Mall. So we were hungry. So just came to have pizza here. I couldn't shoot much in Ikea because there was so much of crowd and I was suffocating. On top of that, this mask and everything, not a good idea. So I've got few items, home decor and few plants. I'll go home and share them with you guys. I'll show it to you guys what all I got. So intla mancha maatladukochu. Ippudu jara mask geese avani unnai kabatti I just can't talk to you guys properly. So full ibbandi undi. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి మనం మంచిగా మాట్లాడుకుందాం. I'll see you guys at my house. Bye.
Hey guys, what's up? So I finally got back home after 8 hours, I guess. I don't remember because I stood in the line for 2 complete hours. Oh my god, it was so messy, you guys. Like I know I didn't film so much in Ikea because I didn't feel like it. Like there were so many people around and I was feeling so suffocated with that mask, and I just wanted to grab stuff and get out first. So I thought I'll come home, sit down, chill in my own comfort zone and like talk to you guys about whatever I got. So I got quite a few items, all on a great discount. So if you are planning to get something from Ikea, you better order it from online, guys. Don't go to Ikea right now because no, at least in Hyderabad branch, it's for our good, it's for our safety, but still I had to wait for 2 hours doing nothing. So let me just start one by one. Let me tell you and let me show you what all I got. Okay, so first step, I got these 2 little containers. So it's orange in color, it's bright, it's good plastic. So each box was priced for 129 rupees. I think the original price for this was 180 or 200, I don't remember, but I got it for 129 rupees each, and it's huge. Like, let me show it to you guys. It's huge, okay? It's huge. So why I got these containers is that now whenever I film my makeup videos, it's always a mess with my makeup. I grab everything and I just mess up. So I thought if I'm filming a soft glam makeup look or a beginner's makeup guide, anything like that, so I'll put all the stuff that is related to that video, that particular video, in this box. So it's easy for me to like carry from this room to that room, so I don't have to like mess up anything. So I can like put in my foundation, my eyeshadow palettes and my powders, contours, everything in this container for that video. So I thought this was really handy for that purpose. I got 2 because one is for the purpose which I told you, and the second one I thought I can like store any random stuff, any knickknacks that I have. Okay, so if you're wondering who this little guest is today in our video, I was never into soft toys, okay? Never. Not even once I was attracted to soft toys. Never had a teddy bear in my house. No. So the moment I saw this little tiger cub baby in Ikea, I don't know, I just had to get it. It was so cute. Like, look at it, it's so cute. I know I'm just sounding so weird right now, but initially I wanted a cheetah cub, but it wasn't available. I think they didn't have the stock or something. This is my first ever soft toy that I have since childhood, since I was a kid. Okay, so next step, I got these leaves. These are really huge. Like, look at my face and look at the leaf. You guys can see, right? I mean, it's so huge. So it's long. So 2 leaves. Each leaf was priced for 369 rupees. So both were for 738 rupees. There was no off on that, but I really liked those leaves. So next step, I got these 2 flowers. So each one was priced for, guys, I'm not able to find it. I'll post it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see. So they look really cute. I actually got it to place it inside this very beautiful flower pot. Initially I thought I'll place these 2 inside this, but it's not really looking that great. It was initially priced for 800 rupees, but I got it for 289 rupees. This was really good, guys. Like, look at it. Look at it. And the color is also very pretty. So next step, I got these pot plants. So I think I have a couple of more of these pot plants in my house because they are really cute. You can place them anywhere and everywhere in your house and they're gonna look absolutely good. I got 2 of these. So I thought I can like place each of these here on the back and I can remove this one and place it somewhere else. Okay, so each one costed me for 499 rupees. So both of them together costed me 998 rupees. Okay guys, next plant is a huge one. Oh my god, I can't. Like, this is how huge it is. I thought it would be the right artificial plant for my first room. Right now it's so congested because it was in the car and I need to like fluff up the leaves so it's just fluffy and good. But I got a great deal on this. I really wanted this. The first time when I saw it, I knew I wanted this, but I couldn't pick it up because of the price. But I just got it for 15.99 rupees, so I thought this is a great deal on this. The original price of this was somewhere around 2,900 change something. So next one, however, is an organizer. I told you guys that I was looking for a makeup organizer or a basic organizer to store in my makeup. So it's right there, but right now I didn't fix it. I'm gonna fix it by tonight with my dad. I'm gonna sit with him and like do all the hardware stuff. But I think I'll post a picture on the screen somewhere. So I got it in the shade turquoise because I love turquoise, and it was for 1,999 rupees, and it's a really good piece. Like, first time when I went to Ikea, I had my eye on it, but I couldn't pick it up for whatsoever reason. The one which I have right now from Ikea is, however, for 999 rupees, but the storage is very less. It's very congested, so I wanted another organizer, so I got that one. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. That is it. That is my Ikea haul. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.